Hi everyone, this is Byron. Welcome back to day 2 of it. Today we'll be working on making a gutter board. I have 2 assistants with me. My son, he's on the camera person, and my other son, he's on the side here. He's producing, directing, cut and everything, and he's going to be helping me as well. So today for the gutter board, what we need is we need some screws, definitely need a pencil, hammer, a ruler, definitely need the ruler. Yeah, protective gear. I've got steel cap boots on. Okay. Usually you wear glasses. Well, I ain't got glasses. I ain't got ear masks, so I'm just gonna do what I do best. So at the moment I've got a paint that's at about 700 millimeters. Gonna make 4 of those cuts, and I've got some just dunny wood just to help out. Also, I have a saw. Okay, guys. If you don't know how to use it, make sure you read your manual and everything. Ask somebody that knows how to use it first before you touch this one. Okay, so on this one, yeah, 700 meters. I just got to make 3 more planks out of that one, and then I'll come back to you. Pause.
Action.
Okay, guys. So I'm just coming in now. I'm just working on the second board to be cutting. So yeah, just got 2 more after this. Okay, now that we've got our 4 planks, okay, pretty reasonable. Well, I'm just gonna take some stuff out of the way first. I'm gonna get 2 planks. I've already done the measurement on one of them. Swap this one. Okay, I've already got the measurements already started. So what I've got is that one block will be coming here, the other one will be coming here, and I'll be joining it on with another one. Pretty much so, okay? And now we'll give it the diameter for it. Don't quote me on the diameter. And that's how it's going to be. So for this one, you're just going to need prefer 2 or 3, maybe 3 to 4, up to you. You know, just keep it strong, keep it together. One side on. Yeah, buddy. Okay, grab the other one. Again, just start it off. Oh, pause.
Oh, it's gonna break.
just repeat one more time. Pause. Yeah, as you have it, put both those two planks together. I've ended up putting 4 nails on the top there to hold it together, so pretty much, you know, there's your sturdiness of a gutter board. Not too keen on like the angle and everything, so it doesn't really matter. So the way we're going to test this out, my boys are going to end up putting some gutter board down the driveway. Well, there you go, guys. Hi, son. There's your gutter board. Oh! Quick!
What are you doing? Oh.
Hi, Dick. Yay! Oh! Well, there you go, guys. Yeah, so another successful gutter board maker. You can see the boys are having fun now during lockdown. Yeah. Okay, guys. Get back to me if you want me to do other things in woodwork. Otherwise, come next time, I'll be doing mechanical work. I'll probably end up doing a brake change. But yeah. Cheers, guys. Thank you very much.